Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, and today I want to talk about price gouging. Oh my God, it's all over the place. Some of these bookkeeper was charging. I don't want to give too much detail in case the parties involved are watching this, um, but um, this woman had just made prices up like crazy. Gave him a $10,000 bill and just made worse, and it was wrong. Okay, the work was not even right, and I see that a lot. And today I had a consultation with a guy who, some attorney, said, "Give me $5,000 up front," and he paid it because he saw that this taxpayer was anxious, hasn't filed in about 8 years, and scared them about going to jail. It's a very common thing throughout my whole 42-year career that I see, and it's not just attorneys, it's some larger CPA firms or some of those big national companies that are now out of business, like Taxmasters, Ronnie Deutsch, and J.K. Harris. But the offshoots from some of those firms are around, and I think Ronnie Deutsch is trying to make a comeback as well. And what happens is these people are told things like you're going to go to jail because you didn't file and it's willful not filing, or you took cash and hundreds of thousands and you're going to go to jail for that. And it's nonsense. I've done thousands of cases since 1980, and I've had attorneys as clients, some partners in big law firms. I've had plenty of CPAs as clients. And even to this day, I represent several tax preparation companies before the IRS. I've kept my rates low, just $195 an hour. I do charge for all my time, letters, phone calls, emails. If I'm driving to work and I figure out a solution for you, I'm going to put point two, that's 12 minutes. Point I charge, I don't even use quarter hours. I use tenths of an hour, and I often start with just 2, 3 thousand down as a down payment. I charge time against it. People give me another two when it's going to be used up. Some people just give me one at a time if they don't have the money. And I don't play these games like they were telling my new client today. Oh, we need to do monthly financial statements going back 7 years. Who needs monthly financial statements going back for history? Because it's already in the past. The purpose of having monthly financial statements is if you're going to use them to help run your business. Otherwise, people just stick them in the drawer and say, "Oh, well, that's my monthly accounting fee." No, no. If you need payroll help, do it quarterly. Save money and do it when you need it. I have some companies, they do it at the end of the year because they know their costs. I do mine at the end of the year. Things don't change. I have my overhead expenses, rent, phone bills, salaries, supplies. I know what it is. I make sure I have enough withholding taken to cover it. And I have no use for financial statements. I did for the PPP loan, but other than that, so you really need to match the level of accounting with the company itself. And what a lot of people don't realize is that if someone doesn't have the money, you can't just do less, they're going to get in trouble. What you do is you explain to the taxpayer that this is required and needs to be done. If you don't have the money to pay for it, then let me teach you how to do it so you can do it yourself. And that's how I've been helping people. You don't not do the job because the person doesn't have the money. And the people who have the money, you don't gouge them and do a whole bunch of extra work just because they can afford it. Now, not everybody agrees with me, but I'm hoping that you would agree with me and feel that you need a CPA that you can trust to get you through the IRS, who's going to do the amount of work that's necessary to protect you, to make sure you're not audited, 99.9% of the times, and make sure you have the information you need to not only take care of the IRS, but to take care of your business as a going concern and to see that your personal values are met at the same time. And again, if someone doesn't have the money for all of that, then your only choice is to learn, do some of the bookkeeping on your own, develop a checklist where you're going to check with the bank, you're going to check online if your payments are posted properly. I mean, otherwise, don't run a business. Don't run a business and walk around saying, well, I can't afford to do proper accounting. Come to me, I'll educate you and coach you. You can do as much of it yourself as you want to. And that's my message for today. You can call Stephanie 713-774-4467. As always, like and subscribe. I got to get past 12 subscribers. It's funny. People are sending me emails. I love your videos, but I can't believe you only have 12 subscribers. That's because I didn't care about it before, and I just now started it and just now started posting to it. My subscriber list will increase, but also hit the notification bell. Took me years to realize the value of that. There's a couple of people that I'm subscribed to that when I go on YouTube, all I do is check the right hand side and I see the videos. Russell Brand is one of them. He posts videos every day. And there's all my Russell Brand videos lined up. I'm signing off and have a great day. Thank you.